In this video, we're going to explore how we can, right now, or basically what we have here right now is we have this div, we have these rounded corners on the top, but now what we want to do is we want to adjust the rounded corners, and what we can do is the rounded corner here at the bottom right. So how can we adjust this, give this also a nice rounded corner design? Well, for that, all we need to do is use the property border dash bottom right radius, right radius. As you can see, it's a quite long property, but that's alright. So we have the border, the bottom right radius. So basically what you say here, border, and then we pinpoint location is horizontal or vertical. Well, first is the vertical, so it's top or bottom. And once we have that, and then you go into the horizontal level where we say left or right. In our case, we want bottom right, which is this here, this edge here. Let's start to do that. And then we will say the border, so we're going to adjust from the border, the bottom right, and then we're going to give it a radius. And this could be, for example, as well, 20 pixels, matching it with the right top. So if we save this, then refresh, you can see here now we get this nice button lookalike. And this looks quite nice. This is very suitable for design, and then of course here this should be slightly matching, or maybe this could be a specific where you have only this here with sharp edges and this side is only like the rounded part. However, this is the way how you do this. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.